Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can verify Bitcoin on Cash App. So in order to verify Bitcoin on Cash App, verifying a Bitcoin on Cash App usually means verifying your Cash App account in order to secure your account, in order to add extra layer of security to your transaction and ensure that your funds are protected. So verification also allow you to access additional features and higher transaction limit and many more. So to begin with the verification process, first of all you need to install and set up Cash App. So installing your application and after that creating an account is one of the first steps. After that, to enable Bitcoin transaction, you'll need to link your bank account to your Cash App. So this step is necessary for buying, selling and withdrawing Bitcoin. So Cash App will guide you through the process of securely linking your bank account as well. So after you've linked your bank account, you'll need to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. So once your bank account is linked, you'll need to navigate the Bitcoin section within the Cash App, which is located right at the bottom, right in the corner. And after that, specify the amount of Bitcoin that you wish to purchase. And after that, Cash App provides a user-friendly interface to make the buying process seamless. So once you've done with all of these procedure, now you need to verify your Bitcoin on Cash App. So in order to do that procedure, you'll need to tap on the profile icon within the app, that is in the top right hand side corner. After that, you need to scroll down and select enable Bitcoin, so which is right at the bottom, and you need to locate Bitcoin verification option and tap on it. To do that, you need to follow the prompt to complete the verification process, and Cash App may request additional information to ensure the security of your transaction. It provides the necessary details as requested. You can verify your Bitcoin on Cash App. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.